Hi, I'm Jim. I'm one of the employees here at Alliance. We are doing a refurbishing program on our equipment. We bring back older equipment that has, for whatever company it was at, it's outlived its useful purpose. They don't use it anymore, so we buy them back and we do a rebuild program where we can go and we repurpose it for another customer. This one was actually used for electronic drive shafts, and it's going to get repurposed for gun barrels. We go through, we bring the equipment in, we test everything, we see what's usable, what's not, and then just test everything. If stuff is not usable, we will replace it. If it is, we go through and we see what we can keep and use for the next customer. So we go through, we'll clean everything up then at that point. If stuff needs repainting, we'll repaint it. Depending on what level of refurbishing the customer wants, we'll go through, we may re-blast the cabinets, we may replace pumps, it could be as simple as just cleaning it up and sending it out the door, or we could go through and replace just about everything and just reuse the tank. We've done both ways, all basically based off of specific needs. This piece of equipment here, this is an indexing machine. And we have our chains in here that are our drive chains for moving our conveyor system, which the motor's on the top, the drive chains are here. That's the type of stuff we go through and we just see, we'll test it out, see what slack is in them, if they're worn out or if they're good to still use. Then we kind of go through, as you can see, we've got our light curtains off. We tested those. Those are non-functional on this machine, so that's something that would get replaced. We'll go through our electrical panel and see what we can use and what we can't. We've already pulled the HMI screen out of here, and one of our programmers is working on that, but we'll see if the PLC works. We'll see all the components, the contactors, everything in here. We'll see what works, it doesn't. We go through, we test the pump pressure, see how the pump goes, how it works. This one actually happened to be in pretty decent shape. We'll go through, we will clean up all the piping. If the piping is usable, we'd reuse it. Majority of this, as you can see, this is actually, some of it's not stainless, so that would all get replaced with stainless steel piping. We go through all the nozzles that are in here. We'll check. Most of the time the nozzles will get replaced because they've been in use for quite a while. We go through, there's sensors for all the doors, all the types of sensors and everything like that would all get checked out, tested, and see if it's usable. If not, we replace it. So the next step here after the testing process is we'd start tearing everything down. We get it all down to just a base shell with the tank, and if we are going to go to the point where we're repainting everything and cleaning it all up, we'll take the tank, it'll go back through, it'll go through bead blast again, get all cleaned up, then everything will start getting reassembled. We may replace the electrical panel if it's not in good shape, or we sand it down and repaint it if it's reusable. So basically it's just a reassembly. It's almost like assembling a new machine with used parts.